I never dreamed that you would feel the way I do. I thought that I would know just what to say, but suddenly my voice is feeling very weak. If only my heart could speak. You're making me confused, I'm puzzled and bemused, I'm fuddled, heart's been puddled by the thought that we're more than just a fling. Where did I put that ring? If only my heart could sing.
Welcome on here to beautiful Scotland. So welcome back everyone, we are out and about again. I hope you have enjoyed the previous part. If you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and do so. But right now, I am somewhere famed for its history. This is Old Packhorse Bridge, which is notably known as the oldest bridge in the Highlands. It was made in 1717 and oldest bridge here is there to cross the river Dunane, if that's how you pronounce it. But it looks very historical, very ancient over there. Only problem is though, you can't climb on it. It is too old now, I wouldn't even want to attempt it. But it is nice to see. So next up on the to-do list is I seen Highland Cows on the way to the Old Packhorse Bridge. So I turned around to my parents and I was like, we must come here and see them. Let's see if I can get a good video. Oh, there's a dog running at me! Hello? Hello, my feline friend. Hi. Oh, he's a good doggy. I think it likes being on the camera. Who do you belong to? Just having a wee wonder. I don't think we can get to them. I'm gonna cry now. I really just want to take part in Coos Day, that like event every single Tuesday where Visit Scotland features Highland Cow photos. One day I will get to put a Highland Cow photo of my own up on my Instagram, but right now I can only see it from a distance. Alright, so we're back in the car and it is time for breakfast. My tummy done a little rumble and I'm being treated to a pack of pancakes, a chocolate bunfin and Palm Bears, Aldi's versions of Palm Bears. Snack rights. Oh yeah, I'm being treated, I'm living the good life.
I'm up all night just to hear a story. When I'm with her, there's no hurry. Holding on to every word she says. I'd do anything just to see her smile. Sip rosé, watch Grace for a while. Try some things I never thought I would. But that's just what you do when you're in love.
So we are here at the Highland Lodges. We just stopped off because right in front of me is Highland Cows. Dougal and Hamish is their names and they're staring at me. Oh! And they've got breathtaking scenery here, guys. What a view for Dougal and Hamish to sit in Grey's grass. Oh, it honestly takes my breath away every single time I'm out here. Hey Dougal and Hamish. Oh, they're so adorable, man. Who would have thought Highland Cows are one of the cutest animals on this planet?
Still stuck in this house with a mind full of doubts. Tired of staring out the window. Eating too much, drinking too much. Tired of watching the grass grow. Channel 2, Channel 3, back to Channel 2. I watched everything in my queue. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me.
So you've probably been noticing in a lot of my car shots that there's a lot of snow on top of the mountains. Well, we stopped here to get a nice view of the snow. Also, that White House over there looks epic for a photo, so I can set up the tripod and stuff. But another thing, it kind of takes away from the view though, is there's a caravan down there. What in the world happened? I really want to know. But this view really takes you away from that event over there and just keeps your eyes on the hills. It is breathtaking out here, guys. This is Absolutely breathtaking. I have never seen a truer sign than this. We do have to take a moment to behold, everyone. Welcome on here to Craigievar Castle.
Come talk with me, stay and watch the day grow old. I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. Come stand with me down under the stars at night. Come look with me from where I stand, you can see most everything. And I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive.
So behind me right now, that is Craigievar Castle. It is a historic Scotland castle, but you can't get to it right now because of COVID. They've got it shut, so we'll have to return to go inside. But the outside looks very impressive. Just flew the drone. Looks magical from up in the sky, because the thing it's famed for is its star-shaped boulder. The thing it's famed for is its star-shaped boulder. The thing it's famed for is its star-shaped border, which guards the whole house. Impressive. I also forgot to mention that there is a storm approaching. Hopefully the weather clears up once we get to our next destination. So guys, right in front of me is something I think I've been wanting to see for maybe over a year now. We've always been putting it off, but today is finally the day I get to say I am at Craigievar Castle. So you all know how much of a castle fan I am. I love castles, always have. They're just moments of history standing right before you. So marking Craigievar Castle off my list is epic. If you don't know, this was used to film the Pig Castle in Ballamore. So you know, it has a lot of history to even my childhood. Craigievar, you are a dream and you are very pink, even without a little bit of Lightroom editing. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but I've never been to Aberdeen before. I think it's the only city in Scotland that I have never been to. Well, I can mark that off my list now. Let's go in. I'll let the big man do the honours. Kick that door open. Voila. Smells like new carpet smell. New carpet smell. There's our view. So we've just arrived at the Travelodge Aberdeen. We're staying in Travelodges this time because they're dead cheap compared to some other places. But we're in Aberdeen, my very first time in Aberdeen, and I have to say, for upon entering, this feels more like a city compared to Inverness last night. So we're here for 2 nights. Going to go travelling around Aberdeenshire, seeing what we can see. But for right now, I'm going to be going out and finding our place that we're going for dinner. We've booked in for something. I'll tell you once we're there. But it's been a while since I've been able to eat out in a restaurant because of all the pandemic and stuff. So it's going to feel nice to eat out, have a nice drink and stuff, and hopefully it doesn't rain down on us. But it's so strange that Aberdeen is just in the middle of like the Highlands. Like, we were surrounded by mountains an hour ago, and now we're surrounded by people. Like, it's insane how that's happened. But Aberdeen is the 3rd largest city in Scotland, so let's see what it is all about. Only been in Aberdeen for like 10 minutes and I can already see why it's called the Granite City. All that stone. Alright, welcome to Brewdog, everyone in Aberdeen. My first time ever having this. We're going to have a burger and drinks, and when I say burger, I mean... Let's see how I do with this. We've got German cola today. Fritz cola. It should be Fritz koala, but... Alright, let's see what German cola is all about, and if it tastes like normal cola. It literally is just normal cola, but maybe with a can of hamburger or something like that, I don't know. Alright, so I just ate one chip, dipped it into this hot sauce right here, which is called Elvis juice, and it's really hot. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to use the barbecue sauce as well just to mix up the spices. I think I may have tears in my eyes after eating all of that with the hot sauce, but I forgot to tell you that I ordered the double Patriot burger, so basically just a double bacon cheeseburger, pickles on it, barbecue sauce, onions, always going to be delicious, but my mouth is roasting after that. Let's have some more Fritz cola, German cola, tastes like normal cola. Ooh, looks like I've just stabbed a cow. I can't believe I managed all that. Yes, I am a greedy pig. So we've been chucked out into the cold because of the COVID restrictions. So we're having some alcoholic beverages. I'm not a big beer drinker, so this is why we went for this. I'm gonna try it, see how it tastes, and so we went for the voucher, which is allowing burgers and drinks. Let's see how they go. So what's this one?
That's Silk Road.
Do you want me to try the first one? Okay.
Silk Road.
What's Silk Road?
So it's mango lychee.
Mango lychee. Okay, I don't like beer, so how is this going to be?
It's a New England IPA.
You can taste the beer, but the juice at the aftertaste.
What's the next one?
I like the juicy. I like the fruitiness of it though. Okay, what's the next one? Bring it on.
Cloud Waterer. So that's a light, easy drinking one.
Easy drinking. For me, I'm not a big drinker.
Season IPA.
Cloud Water. Pineapple punch. Pineapple's my favourite fruit, so let's see. I like that.
That's your cherry merch.
Oh, Funk Factory.
Funk.
Cherry flavour. That's quite sour. It doesn't have a beer taste though.
It says it's.
No, it's alright.
It says it's sour.
It's always wrong.
Very sour. Okay. I've got 3 more. Dead Pony Club.
Which is citrus tropical caramel.
Citrus tropical caramel. See how it goes. Ugh. Oh. Oh. That's awful. Oh no, that's disgusting. Oh. Elvis juice.
Which is grapefruit, caramel and pine.
That is what the hot sauce was called inside, by the way. Oh. Ew. Tastes like penicillin. What? Don't spill it. What?
It's Refuse Triple New England Creamy Tropical Juicy.
Creamy tropical juicy. Not as bad as the rest, but I'm not a big fan of your ones. Ugh.
Do you want to taste mine?
Oh, okay.
Which is Cosmic Crush Raspberry.
I feel like I'm turning into an alcoholic. Here we go. Yours is okay.
You taste the raspberry.
You can taste the raspberry. Okay. I'll give you what my verdict is and what was my favourite. I think you want to know which one's my favourite. Cheers.
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly